Students, today we will take a new topic of this chapter, India size and location. So the topic here is the size of India, okay, in which we broadly speak about the area of the total landmass and the standard meridian of India and its importance. So India, is the seventh largest country in the world, okay, and then after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. And when we talk about the total landmass, here is 3.28 million square kilometer. It occupied 2.4% of the total land area of the world. Now we talk about the state and the union territories. Okay, so India has 28 states and 8 union territories. So on 5th August 2019, the government dissolved Article 370 of the Constitution of India, bifurcated the state of Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories. Okay, and notified that Jammu and Kashmir will be the new union territory in India. They separated Ladakh from Jammu Kashmir and gave the status of another union territory of India. Now Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu are to be combined with a single union territory from 26 January 2020 as per legislation passed by the Government of India. Now Daman is set up to be the capital of this union territory. So now the union territory of India are, you can see Jammu Kashmir, Dadar and Nagar Haveli where Daman is the capital, Ladakh, Delhi, Puducherry, Chandigarh, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Let's have a look on this map. So here you can see the latitudinal extent, okay, and the longitudinal extent. Here the latitudinal extent 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes. Then you can find the longitudinal extent. Here is 68 to 7 degree and 97 to 25 minutes. You can find that there is a roughly about 30 degree, okay. The extension is about 30 degree, whereas the actual distance measured from, if it measured the actual distance from north to south is 3214 kilometer and from east to west is 2933 kilometer. So India territorial limit further extend toward the sea up to 12 nautical miles, about 21.9 kilometer from the coast. Then comes when we talk about the boundary. Okay, India has a land boundary of 15,200 kilometer and the length of the coastline, you can see the length of the coastline here is how much, 7,516.6 kilometer, the including the Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Now come to the Tropic of Cancer. As you can see, an imaginary line that at an angle of how much, 23 and a half degree, 23.30, 23.5, okay, degree. It is in the north from the equator, okay, that passes through the middle of the India, divide India into almost into 2 equal parts. So it passes through 8 states, okay, 8 Indian states. You can see here these are the states. Here are Gujarat, some portion of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, then it's come Tripura. Here you can see West Bengal, then comes Tripura, the smaller portion here. This is Bangladesh, okay. So that is not a part of India. So here you can talk about Tripura and Mizoram. You know the position of the sun on 21st of June is vertically overhead the Tropic of Cancer. Here a new topic, that is standard time, okay. So you can see, to avoid the difficulties, a system of standard time is observed by all countries, okay. Most countries adopt these standard times from the central meridian of the country. So there is a general understanding among the countries of the world to select the standard meridian in multiply of what, 7.5 degree of longitude, okay. So here you can see that Earth that make rotation of 360 degree, okay, it's make a rotation of 360 degree around its own axis in 24 hours, okay. So in 1 hour it will rotate how much, 360 into divided by 24, and the meridian it is divided into 24 meridian at 15 degree. Here 15 degree represent 1 hour, okay. So when we talk about this, this is what, in imaginary line, this is a longitudinal line, okay. if we talk about, there are 24 meridian lines. Okay, if we talk that the earth rotate west to east in 24 hours, so there are how much meridian line? 24 meridian line that show 24 hours. So one meridian line here is of, if we talk about the one meridian line here, it is of how much? 15 degree. Okay, where 1 degree is 4 minute. Okay, so 15 degree is 15 into 4, where 1 degree is 4 minute, then 15 degree will be 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, theoretically it's contribute 24 time zones to the world, and India uses that GMT is above or ahead 5.5, which passes through Allahabad. Okay, so here we talk about the distance. Okay, from, you can see from east to west is 2933 kilometer. Okay, so here you can see that the longitudinal convention, or you can see according to the international convention, okay, the longitudinal difference between these two meridian that show that should be 7.5 minutes. Okay, 7.5 minutes, so 7.5 degree. So this is a meridian line. Okay, so here you can see longitudinal difference between the two meridian line is how much? 7.5 degree. So if we talk about one meridian line, here we are talking about what? One meridian line which I have shown here. Okay, it has divided into two parts of how much? 7.5 degree. Okay, that these are time zones, okay, which cover 15 degree, okay, in 1 hour. So longitude है that passes through the middle of the zone. So each side of the prime meridian time zone divided into 7:30 okay minutes. हम क्या देखते हैं, जो एक टाइम जोन है, ठीक है, वो कितना कवर करता है? 15 डिग्री कवर करता है, ठीक है, 1 घंटे में। आप देख रहे हैं 0 डिग्री क्या है ये? 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड इसके मध्य से होकर गुजर रही है। तो 15 डिग्री का आप देखते हैं प्राइम मेरिडियन, ये जो आप सेंट्रल मेरिडियन देख रहे हैं, ये कितने दो भागों में विभाजित हो गया है। एक है 7.5 डिग्री एंड अनदर वन इज द 7 डिग्री 5 मिनट्स। okay, so here is the longitudinal extent, okay, from east to west. Okay, here you can find the longitude. Here is 68 degree 7 minutes, and then you talk here in the east is 97 degree 25 minutes. So you can find a roughly difference of how much? 30 degree. Okay, so you can take the example of Arunachal Pradesh in the east and Gujarat in the west. Okay, so when we talk a 30 degree, you know 1 degree that show how much? 4 minutes. So here 30 into, if it into 4 is equal to 120 minutes. So 120 minutes or 2 hours. So when we talk about the distance between east and the west is how much? Is 120 minutes or 2 hours. So we saw the difference of 30 degree. Okay, we have to take a standard meridian which is favorable for both the places. Okay, so we have taken what? 82 degree 30 minutes. Okay, that is what? That is the standard meridian. Okay, so it almost passes through the center of India, because when we talk about there is a longitudinal extent, so difference is 30 degree. So the half of the 30 is how much? 15 डिग्री. तो जब हम क्या करते हैं, इस 30 डिग्री का आधा ले लेते हैं 15, फिर हम उसको क्या कर रहे हैं, इस लॉन्गिट्यूड से जो हमारे पास दिया गया है 68 से हम उसको जोड़ रहे हैं. वी आर एडिंग इट विथ 68 एंड द लॉन्गिट्यूड हियर कम इज अराउंड 83 डिग्री. ओके, तो हमारा ये था that time zones are the multiples of 7 degree 30 minute. Okay, so जो 83 डिग्री के इर्द गिर्द होगा और 7.5 का मल्टीपल होगा, उसको हम बनाएंगे अपना स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. ठीक है, क्योंकि दुनिया का भी आज ये ट्रेंड चल रहा है कि आधे आधे घंटे में डिफरेंस दिखाया जाए. तो यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि 7.5 को अगर हम 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसका आता है 67.5। 7.5 को अगर हम 10 से क्योंकि उसके नज़दीक के नंबर को अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करें, ठीक है, और जो इस नंबर के बिल्कुल पास होगा वो हमारा स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन होगा। तो यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं 7.5 इंटू 10 75, 7.5 इंटू 11 इज 82.5 एंड दिस बिकम्स आ स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन। और यदि हम ये इस 11 को क्या करते हैं, आधा कर दें, तो क्या होगा 5.5, और ये यही क्या है, जो हमारा जो GMT है वो 5.5 आगे है। सो इन अ सिंपल वर्ड, ओके, जो भी हमारा लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट कितना है 30 डिग्री है, उसका हमने आधा ले लिया, दैट इज़ हाउ मच 15, और उस 15 को हमने 68.7 से जोड़ा तो कितना आता है 83, और फिर जब हमने इसे 7.5 के किसी भी निकट नंबर से जब हमने उसे मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हमें हमारा स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ मेरिडियन मिल गया। So students, in the next topic we will cover India and the world and its neighboring countries.